Hello, I'm Michael Strohecker, LuxCreo. We're at our booth at IDS 2025, and we're launching 4D Bright. These are white translucent aligners based on 4D aligner technology, and it brightens your mouth and your teeth immediately. Now you don't have to do bleaching to have a white smile. And I'll give you a little bit of what we're doing here. We're giving talks here. We're going to do demos of our software, and then over here, as we're setting up, we're going to have the full workflow, so everybody gets to see the digital workflow that could be at the clinic and at the laboratory. Come and see us this week.
Hi, just finished setting up our printers. We're excited to do some demos tomorrow. Show starts tomorrow, so please stop by, and I'm excited to see you there.
When you come to LuxCreo, definitely join our workshop, make your own aligners. This is for real. This is ready to go. It's for today.